you want to stop, pull in the clutch, and that's your back brake. Put your foot on the peg. That's your back brake.
Right here, okay.
Yeah, and this is the shifter.
Oh, I see.
Just put it in first, pull the clutch in, just got electric start.
Okay.
Give it again. Fuck it up. Joey didn't want to do. Joey did better than that. Now let out slow, Jim.
Yeah, it's a pretty sensitive.
He did.
Oh, you did, Eddie? Ah, yeah. That could have been America's best video. Ah, yeah. You got
I knew that would happen.
You got on video.
I knew that would happen.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, hell yeah, you do.
That's why I said I wasn't going to try right there.
He don't understand.